We have another hilarious client. You have to wash the face. So the face is clean, but there are some dirty venoms. We are shaving the customer. Customer is clean shave. Now we are removing these dirty venoms. This is the second one. Now we have to clear the circle which lives behind these acnes, so no one can know who she was before and after. We are applying the lotion. We will completely change our customer. We are providing quality services, therefore customer knows that quality is our first and foremost priority. So therefore we have a lot of customers. Now it's time to shine our customer. Yes, we are putting a necklace. Yeah, this is so charming. Yes, yes.